Now we are told in the last chapter of Zechariah, the Lord will become king over all the earth. And in that day, the Lord will be one, and his name one. If you are born into the family of the Browns, you automatically, regardless of the name given you, you are a Brown. So you may be given the name of John, but nevertheless you are John Brown, if you're born into the family whose name is Brown. Well, all are being born into the one body whose name is Jesus. So in the end, everyone will be Jesus. For in that day, the Lord will be one, and his name one. You will not lose your identity. I will know you in this world of Caesar, and I will know you by your name, a friend of yours. But in the end, when you are born in the body of Jesus, you're still the John that I know here, but you are Jesus. And I will see you and see you as Jesus. For there's only, in the end, only one man, the perfect man, the pattern man, and that man is Jesus. And Jesus and the Lord God Jehovah are one. They aren't two gods, they aren't two lords, there's only one God. Only one body, only one Spirit, only one hope, only one God and Father of all. And I know it seems strange to many who have not had the experience, because they've been trained differently, and you can't blame anyone. I came out of a family of Christians. I think we are Christians. And I'm quite sure that my family today will be shocked beyond measure to hear me say what I am now saying.